my sugar foots. Welcome to Kita's Kitchen, and today we are about to get into these cinnamon rolls. But first I just want to start off by letting you all see today's ensemble. I love flamingos. See, right here. I just want you to see this gear today. Yeah. So we repping today. You feel me? Okay. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. First, we need to gather our ingredients. So for the first process is making our yeast rise. We have to activate our yeast first. So the first thing that we need is instant yeast. This is going to be first. And how you activate the yeast is warm butter and warm milk. Not hot, but warm. Okay, so first we're going to add our yeast. See? Ooh, I'm put my darn leg down, show y'all my goodies. Hold on. Oh man, I ain't these streets. They be thinking I'm selling products. Not today, honey. Next, we're gonna add 1/4 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay. Next, we're going to add the cup of milk, warm milk, and 5 tablespoons of sugar. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you have to let this sit for 10 minutes. I hope it's focusing. Good. Has to sit for 10 minutes and it's just the right temperature. Or what I do is just microwave my milk for 1 minute. Let it sit for about 10 seconds after that. And then I put the butter in the microwave for 30 seconds and then set it to the side for another 10-15 seconds and add everything in here. Look real good. It's gonna be the start of something beautiful, honey, because when I tell y'all these things gonna taste like Cinnamon Buns. What you say? Nikita Buns, not Cinnamon Buns. These ain't Cinnamon Buns, these Nikita Buns, honey. But you know, and they'll be your buns once you get to making this recipe, girl. But yeah. So we'll come back in 10 minutes so I can show you our process, and we'll add the rest of our ingredients for our rolls. Okay, so child, while I'm sitting here acting like I don't have nothing to do, let's do the filling. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. One. 2. Okay. Can't let that cinnamon get on these fashions, honey. And about a tablespoon of white sugar and half of a cup of dark brown sugar. Domino's dark brown sugar. For the longest, I used to be like, now I can't make no cookies with dark brown sugar. What in the world am I gonna use for dark brown sugar? Cinnamon rolls, duh. Just gonna mix this together. And this is what active yeast looks like. Next, we're going to add 1 large egg. And turn our mix on. Add 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, this worked better for me. I'm saying you washed 100 dishes. 100 times. Why do you go out washing dishes? I don't know what to do. Last cup of flour. Oh, shit. And then we're going to put a clean towel over our dough and let it sit in a warm climate to double in size. After that, I'll come back. Okay? Welcome back. Cheryl, I had done laid down. So, you know, I told you your dough should increase in size. Well, this is our dough. Fresh. Here it is. So bright. Now, we are just going to roll this flat and, well, not flat, maybe about 1/2 inch thick. But when I get it rolled out, I'll be back. So brush on this butter, child.
Make sure this is rolled very tight.
This little small one right here is for my nephew. He's 3. So we're gonna bake these and then we'll be back. Hey, my sugar foots. So I've never showed you all how to make buttercream, and I always jump into the darn cake videos making icing, and I ain't made not one buttercream. So let me just show you all how I make buttercream icing. It's real simple. It's just fill up your cream cheese, butter, confection sugar, and it's to your taste. Anywhere between 3 to 5 cups is how much I like. And a teaspoon of vanilla, pure vanilla extract. Okay. And this is our buttercream. So welcome back, y'all. We just got our cinnamon rolls out of the oven, and this is what they look like. But since I'm greedy and they hot, but it is what it is. I'm greedy. I'm gonna go ahead and ice one now, and make it do what it do. Which one I want? I'm gonna try this. Ooh, ooh, child. Look at it. So pretty. That's the bottom. And I got my icing right here. The buttercream. Since I'm a lefty, ice these with my left hand. I already know it's good. I already know that. Go ahead and bite it on camera for y'all, because I know it's popping. Girl. I knew they were going to be good. Honey. My kin folks in there might be shocked, baby, because when I tell you, these things is hidden. For real, for real. I ain't gonna even be able to ice the rest of these. I'm just, child, I'm about to end this so I can eat in peace. Yikes. It's so good, y'all. Y'all gotta make these. I am serious. They are wonderful. Excuse me for talking with my mouth full. They are wonderful. I'm gonna need for y'all to try these. Thank y'all for checking out the video. And until next time, good night, my sugar foots.